In this video, we listed the 5 best car DVR dash cam on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. AZDOME M550 Pro Dash Cam. The AZDOME Car DVR is a high-quality dash cam designed for safe driving and surveillance purposes, offering advanced features for recording and monitoring on the road. With a resolution of 3840 x 2160 and a camera resolution of 800 mega, this dashcam provides clear and detailed footage in 4K UHD quality. It includes a rear camera, loop cycle recording feature, and night shot function for comprehensive coverage and enhanced visibility in various driving conditions. The dashcam supports G-sensor, motion detection, SD MMC card, built-in GPS, waterproof, anti-vibration, wide dynamic range, and Wi-Fi function for added functionality and convenience. It has a display size of 3:5 and utilizes an LCD screen with a 16:9 screen ratio for easy viewing. The AZDOME Car DVR features a Novatec chipset, H264 video codec, and MP4 video format for efficient recording and storage. It requires a Class 10 memory card with a maximum external memory of 128 GB for optimal performance. The dashcam is equipped with a GC4653 imaging sensor and offers a wide viewing angle of 150 degrees for comprehensive coverage. It supports multiple languages in the OSD menu and includes features like 24H parking monitor and DVR black box for continuous surveillance and recording. The AZDOME Car DVR is portable and easy to assemble, making it suitable for use in various vehicles. Number 2. Vantrue N4 Channel 4K Dash Cam. The Vantrue Car DVR is a reliable dash cam designed for recording and monitoring your driving experiences with advanced features and high-quality specifications. With an aperture of f1.8 and a camera resolution of 2560 x 1440, this dash cam captures clear and detailed footage in 5K resolution. It features a 160 degrees wide viewing angle, loop cycle recording, night shot function, and a rear camera for comprehensive coverage and enhanced visibility in various driving conditions. The dashcam includes a G-sensor, display rotate, motion detection, SD MMC card support, and real-time surveillance for added functionality and convenience. It has a 2.45-inch LCD display screen and supports Class 10 memory cards with a maximum external memory of 256 GB for efficient storage. The Vantrue Car DVR utilizes a 5.0MP comms imaging sensor and a chipset from another manufacturer, offering smooth recording at 30 frames per second with H264 video codec and MP4 video format. Number 3. Vantrue E1 Dash Cam. The Vantrue Car DVR is a compact and feature-packed dash cam designed to enhance your driving experience with advanced functionalities and high-quality specifications. With an 18-month warranty, this dashcam comes with accessories such as a wireless controller, an 11.5 feet Type-C car charger cable, and a 3.3 feet data cable for added convenience. It features a sleek design with dimensions of 1.77, dx 1.77, wx 3.27, h, and a Type-C input-output for power connection. The dashcam is powered by a supercapacitor battery type and is compatible with both iOS and Android devices for app connectivity. It includes a built-in LCD screen with a 4:3 screen ratio, supporting loop cycle recording, audio recording, night shot function, and a wide 160 degrees viewing angle for comprehensive coverage. The Vantrue Car DVR utilizes a Sony IMX335 imaging sensor and a Novatec chipset for smooth recording at 30 frames per second with H264 video codec and MP4 video format. It offers a range of special features including G-sensor, motion detection, SD MMC card support, built-in GPS, real-time surveillance, wide dynamic range, Wi-Fi function, Bluetooth, and voice control for added functionality. Number 4. TiESFONG M10 Max Dash Cam. The TiESFONG 2K M10 Max Car DVR is a comprehensive and advanced dash cam designed to provide enhanced surveillance and safety features for your vehicle. With an aperture of f1, 6 plus f1, 8 and a working temperature range of -20 degrees Celsius to 65 degrees Celsius, this dashcam is suitable for various driving conditions. It features a 3.5 m cable length and a Type-C input-output for power connection, powered by a supercapacitor battery type. The dashcam is compatible with a mobile app offering convenient control and access to your recordings. It includes a built-in IPS screen with a 4:3 screen ratio, supporting loop cycle recording, audio recording, and a maximum video frame rate of 25 FPS. The TiESFONG 2K M10 Max Car DVR also features a rear camera, providing a wide view angle of 140° 170° and a camera resolution of 2560 x 1440. It supports Class 10 memory cards for data storage, with a maximum external memory capacity of 256 GB. The dashcam is equipped with special features such as G-sensor, motion detection, SD-MMC card support, anti-fog, anti-vibration, real-time surveillance, automatic white balance, wide dynamic range, Wi-Fi function, Bluetooth, and parking monitor for added functionality. It has 4 lenses and utilizes a GC 4653 imaging sensor with 500 megapixels. Number 5. JIUYIN Dash Cam. The JIUYIN 2K double-din car stereo with a built-in touchscreen offers a comprehensive multimedia experience for your vehicle. Featuring a 7-inch IPS screen with a resolution of 1080, this car stereo supports various digital media formats such as MP3, MP4, WMA, and JPEG. It operates on the Linux operating system and includes special features like built-in speaker microphone, Wi-Fi function, support for 3G and 4G networks, built-in GPS, mobile phone connectivity, voice control, DSP, CarPlay, Android Auto, reversing input, and split-screen functionality. With an outpower of 12V and a voltage requirement of 12V, this car stereo is designed with metal and ABS materials, weighing 0.8 kilograms and measuring 9.66 inches in size. It supports a maximum external memory of 32G and has a ROM capacity of 128G. The JIUYIN car stereo is equipped with a TF micro SD slot and supports a wide range of languages for user convenience. This versatile car stereo from JIUYIN offers advanced features and connectivity options to enhance your in-car entertainment and navigation experience.